let's begin by introducing the supplied parts and hardware. We have a right side and left side pannier racks, as well as a cross brace, two M8 by 35 millimeter long hex head bolts plus washers, two M8 by 30 millimeter long hex head bolts plus washers, and four M6 by 20 millimeter long hex head bolts plus washers plus nylock nuts. Then we also have two 9 millimeter and two 8 millimeter tall spacers and two open-ended spacers. Recommended tools: a pair of pliers, 10 millimeter wrench or spanner, 8 millimeter and 10 millimeter hex sockets, 8 millimeter Allen socket or Allen key, ratchet plus extensions. Now with a pair of pliers, you can remove those plastic plugs. Don't pull them out, turn them. Okay, just like regular bolts. Take out all four of them, two on each side. And then with the 8 millimeter Allen key or Allen socket, loosen the bolts on the foot pegs, the passenger foot pegs. Do not take out the bolts, just loosen them. And then you can mount the left side pannier rack. And at the back, 8 by 35 millimeter bolt plus washer plus the spacer. At the front, 30 millimeter bolt plus washer plus 9 millimeter tall spacer. Like so. Turn it only a few times. Do not tighten the bolts yet. Same procedure on the right hand side. Put the spacers in, apply blue Loctite in all these bolts. Turn them only a few times. 1 or 2 times max is good enough. Next step, you can put the supplied open-ended spacers in its place. That's the forward bolt on the passenger foot pegs. And then turn a bolt a couple of times so just that the spacer does not fall out. Like so. And then the rear cross brace. Grab those 6 by 20 millimeter long bolts plus washers and nylock nuts. And once that's done, you can begin to gradually tighten all the bolts and nuts. Turn the bolts a few times and start over again. Turn them again a couple of times. And the final step is the torque specs. We recommend that you go out for a test ride and then double check all the bolts and nuts once again. Should you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, info@outbackmotortek.com, or call toll free 877-931-3636. Thank you for watching.